children. I welcome you all to today's online classes. So let us come back to our studies after a long time. So till now in the maths textbook we have completed up to chapter number 7. So today in our class we will start with our new chapter, new topic, that is chapter number 9. In the previous class we have completed up to 8. Now we have to start chapter number 9, that is money. So children, by the word money, what you came to know about it? By the term money, money means in simple words we can say पैसा. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? पैसा. So what is the use of money? मनी का क्या यूज होता है? For everything, if we are going to the market for buying something or for selling it, it is the important factor. Money बहुत important होता है for everything we get in our life. Especially for our daily needs, we need money for buying any daily needs purpose. For example, I have this marker with me. Okay, I have this marker. Do I get the marker from my house itself? मुझे यह मार्कर मुझे मेरे घर से मिला है? No. What I have to do? I have to go to the shop. Which shop? Stationery. And I'll say that I want this marker. So what the shopkeeper will do? He will say the price of the marker, price बताएंगे, and I will give that much amount of money. उतना मैं money उनको दूंगी shopkeeper को, and he will give me the stationery instead of that money. Clear? This is how the money rotates and we get our daily needs, daily use thing. For in your words, you can for simplifying, you can take examples of your pencils, notebook, textbook which you are having. That also comes in the exchange of money. Exchange मतलब आप उनको मनी दिए एंड आपको उसके बदले टेक्स्ट बुक, पेंसिल्स, वॉट एवर डेली नीड्स का जो भी सामान है वो आपको रिसीव होता है. सो अवर कंट्री वी आर फॉलोइंग इंडियन करेंसी. इन अदर कंट्रीज वी आर हैविंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ करेंसीज, बट इन अवर कंट्री वी आर फॉलोइंग इंडियन करेंसी. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? इंडियन करेंसी. इंडियन करेंसी इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, कौन से फॉर्म में होता है? रुपी एंड पैसे. कौन सा फॉर्म है? रुपी एंड पैसे. रूपी. रूपी कैसे होगा? रूपी का शॉर्ट फॉर्म सी आर ई री. आर ई इट स्टैंड्स फॉर द रूपी. अर्लियर टाइम्स, पहले के टाइम पे जब स्टार्टिंग में इंडियन करेंसी इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था तब आर ई स्टैंड्स फॉर द रूपी पहले लिखा जाता था. देन इट्स कम्स चेंजेस टू आर एस, फिर उसको आर एस में लिखा गया. एंड नाउ रिसेंटली वी आर फॉलोइंग दिस. हाउ इट कैन बी मेड? कैसे लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट लाइक दिस. Hindi you can Varnamala, that is R, and make a line like this. Okay, it can be simplify as R. R जिससे रहता है and remove this line and you can make in this form also. This symbol stands for the rupee. ये symbol को हम रुपी के लिए यूज करते हैं. Okay, now next one is पैसे. पैसे stands for the P. P stands for the पैसे. पैसे जो रहेंगे वी हैव हर्ड 75 पैसे, 25 पैसे, 60 पैसे. सो ऑल दिस कम्स अंडर दिस पैसे. उसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म है पी. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज पैसा. पहले के टाइम पे पैसा भी बोलते थे एंड इट इज सेड एज पैसे. सो इंडियन करेंसी का दो फॉर्म रहता है, रुपी एंड पैसे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम सेइंग 75 रुपी एंड 20 पैसे. So how you are going to write down this, children? 75 rupee. So this 75 written, and instead of writing this rupee, put this rupee symbol. Earlier सामने भी लिख सकते हैं, or else you can write down after 75 rupees and point and then 20. That means this comes point, this dot के आफ्टर में जो है is considered as पैसे अमाउंट, और उसके सामने जो है it is considered as 75 comes in the rupees. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 25 rupees and 20 p. That means 20 पैसे. 20 p का मतलब होता है 20 पैसे. Clear? Children, if you have any interest, you can also collect different types of coins and notes. You can start learning by counting different kinds of notes for your better understanding of the concept. So here I had written coins and notes. This all consists inside the rupee. Rupees में हम coins को भी देख सकते हैं, notes को भी देख सकते हैं. See, coins and notes. In the coins we have 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. From the textbook itself, let us see. See children, this is our math textbook. We have came to the page number 124. Here we are having several types of coins, but they are not in use till now. मतलब जो पहले यूज होता था वो भी दिया है, एंड रिसेंटली कॉइन्स विच वी आर यूजिंग दैट इज ऑल्सो गिवन. बट जो कॉइन्स कुछ कुछ ऐसे हैं जो अभी यूज नहीं होते हैं. लेट अस सी. दिस इज 1 रुपी 1 पैसे. दिस इज 2 पैसे कॉइन. दिस इज 3 पैसे कॉइन. दिस इज 5 पैसे कॉइन. ऑल द पैसेस कॉइन्स आर नॉट इन यूज टूडे. 10 पैसे कॉइन, 20 पैसे कॉइन, 25 पैसे कॉइन एंड 50 पैसे कॉइन. These all also are not in use today. 75 पैसे कॉइन भी होता है, वो अभी भी यूज नहीं हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट, दिस रुपी. we are using this coins in the form of rupee now. For example, rupee 1, yes, rupee 2, rupee 5 and rupees 10. I had written here rupee 1, rupee 2, rupee 5, rupee 10, and I am going to show you rupees. See children, I am having this 2 coin. Both the coins are of which number? 1 rupee. Yes, both the kinds of are having 1 rupee, but they are similar? No, they are different. See, I am having this 1 rupee coin. You can see here this 1 rupee coin. It is been made, year is written here 2002. That means ये पहले यूज होता था, अभी भी यूज होगा, but ये कब बना हुआ था? 2002. And you can see at the back side also of this. Okay, and now let us look at the new version of this 1 rupee. 1 rupee coin का new version है. This has been made in the year 2015, and you can see at the back side of this. Okay, 1 rupee coin, both are different, both are in use today. दोनों coins चल रहे हैं, but दोनों के दो head and tail side से both are different. Now tell me children, how can you say which one is the head or which one is the tail? Which one is the head and which one is the tail? Yes, this side which we can see, this is called as loin emblem. We are having 3 loins. National emblem, we are having 3 loins. इसको इस part को बोलेंगे head, and the opposite of this where the numbers are written, years are written, this side is can be called as tail. ये head बोलते हैं इसको, and this one is called as tail. Clear? Now let us see 2 rupees coin. I am having again 2 types of 2 rupees coin. This 2 rupees coin, it is being made in the year 2010, and this 2 rupees coin, this has been made in the year 2015. See, both are similar? No, different. And see at the back side also. Okay, now let us see the 5 rupees coin. 5 rupees coin also I am having 2 types. See, these 5 rupees coins which I am saying that these both are different. The previous one, it is little broader and silver color. Okay, and now this is the coin which recently it is being used, और इसका कलर देखेंगे गोल्डन कलर का रहता है. यस, गोल्डन कलर का रहता है, and it is made in the 2017, and at the back side also you can see emblem can be seen. Okay, this is little thinner from this. The previous one, this 5 rupees coin is little thinner, थोड़ा पतला है, and पहले का 5 rupees coin थोड़ा मोटा हुआ करता था. Next I am having 10 rupees coin. See, 10 rupees coin is also in the form both color golden and silver color. You can see 10 rupees coin, and this one also our national emblem. Okay, now children, let us look at our notes, various types of notes. In the page number 125 it is been given notes. 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note and 5 rupee note. Children, this all are not in use for now. अभी यूज नहीं होता. 1 rupee, 2 rupee no. 5 rupees sometimes. 10 rupees note can be seen, then 20 rupees note, 50 rupees, 100 rupees. 100 rupees has been changed now. इसका color different हो गया है, remember? And 500, this also has been changed now, and 2000. That's all of today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you.